governor of Massachusetts, Governor Deval Patrick, is set to sign new legislation that would ban upskirting in the state. Now, this is an update to a story we did earlier this week. Apparently, the Supreme Court in Massachusetts had ruled that taking upskirt pictures of women in public is completely legal under their law, their current law, because it has a certain legal loophole. Now, Justice Margot Botsford of the Supreme Judicial Court of Massachusetts wrote in her decision that state law only protected people who are nude or partially nude. Women on public transit are clothed and in public, and as a result, they have no reasonable expectation of privacy. Since they're wearing a skirt, they're considered completely clothed, and it doesn't matter if they're not wearing panties. Someone can just take an upskirt picture of them, and it's completely legal.
Yeah. So now this was a rather ironic ruling because they're like, well, since you're not semi-nude, they're allowed to take pictures of you, right?
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
Yeah. And he wasn't doing it in secret. That was another part of the law. He was doing it out in the open. Right. And apparently that you could do that and because you had no reasonable expectation of privacy and you're in the public.
So this guy got acquitted and the legislature acted incredibly quickly to fix the law.
I'm very impressed. I'm actually, is this like the fastest lawmakers have ever acted on anything? And I'm glad that they did, right? Because I was outraged when I first read this. I thought that the judge in this case was out of line, but
really?
you know, I thought that the law could have been interpreted in such a way that that guy could have been prosecuted.
Well, he was prosecuted. He was, but
not prosecuted. I'm sorry, convicted. Yeah.
I was proud of her. I was proud of her for not being, as they call it, an active justice. You know, being judicially active from the bench. You know,
but it's about interpreting what it means to be partially nude,
I
right?
think it's about the privacy expectation, though.
But really, so if you're out in public, just because you have no reasonable expectation of privacy, someone can take pictures up your skirt?
That's the way the law is written. Yeah, I mean, I think she called it right.
In a sense, she did the right thing because she forced them to fix the law.
Right.
What happened was one guy got acquitted as a result, but they did it. And,
she basically said, look, the expectation of what you guys want is totally fair and reasonable. You just got to write the law that way so I can enforce it that way. Yeah. And that's better than judicial activism.
I guess not wearing panties, in my eyes, in my interpretation, is partially nude. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but then you're going to have to get into, well, like, let's take a look at the camera and the pictures. Was she wearing panties or not? If she was wearing panties, ironically, that's okay. If she wasn't, and then, you know, I mean,
start
it's a
cherry
mess.
picking and
this guy's going to this guy's going to commit another crime. What's this guy's name? What did Jack say?
Don't worry about it.